Hey, hi everyone. Today we're going to look at Shadow Exchange, and their website is shadow.so. It started way back in 2021. So 2026, it's almost making like 6 years. Shadow actually serves as the leading decentralized exchange on Sonic, providing the backbone for liquidity and trading across the network. Okay, Shadow offers a suite of powerful trading tools designed to give you flexibility and control, as we're going to see. Okay, now for some of you who are wondering about what is Sonic, Sonic is actually Sonic is a in simple language I can say Sonic is a high performance Ethereum virtual machine blockchain network. Okay, it's built specifically to process crypto transactions at very high fast speeds, boosting capability over 400 transactions per second with near instant settlement. Okay, so yeah, so for some of you are wondering what is Sonic Hub, what is Sonic is, that's what Sonic is. Okay, so Shadow Exchange is a decentralized finance application, specifically a decentralized exchange. Okay, it's built natively on top of the Sonic network. All right, so we're going to see what it can allow you to do and all that stuff. I love their website. I love the colors that they use. Actually, it's kind of cool. They have social media. They have a community. There's Twitter. There is Discord. There's Telegram. You can connect your wallets here. Seeing several of them: Binance Wallet, Meta, Mask, Rabi Wallet. Okay, and here there's also even an option to get a wallet. Okay, Binance Wallet. Can try to set up one from here. Of course, you have to end up having an app here. Okay, so Sonic allows you to do token swaps. Can exchange one token for another with a few clicks. Supports Odox along with native router for best quotes. Okay. You can have there is limit orders. You can set precise buy and sell prices and execute trades exactly when the market hits your target. Okay. Swap orders, you can execute large trades gradually over time to minimize market impact. Okay, and these guys have have a community on X. I see they're kind of active. And for some of you wondering if these guys are legit, these guys are legit, guys. Okay, these guys are legit. Okay, these guys are legit. Okay, you don't really have to worry like trading here. Okay, all right, so that's what I can say. You can reach out these guys on Telegram. You can reach out these guys on X. Okay, let me know what you feel, what you think about this Shadow Exchange. Okay, I see they kind of joined I think that it was 2024 2025 since they launched on Sonic. Okay, but yes, these guys are legit guys. Okay, so if you're trying to do, if you found this video wondering like, can I trust these guys? These guys are everywhere. Okay, these guys are kind of good. These guys are legit. Okay, that's the important thing, because someone was worried about if you can trade on, if you can do some business on Shadow. Okay, so see you in the next video, and bye bye.